What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna look at The Legs by Taylor Swift. So for this song we have the keyboard on the second fret to make the chord super easy. So with no further ado, let's dive into the structure directly. We start off with the intro, we have the verse, we got the chorus, next verse, next chorus, then we have the bridge, and after that we have the last chorus. So we just got two parts to learn for the song. One is the chorus, another is you can say intro, verse, bridge. All are actually same. So let's get started. I just want to show you one bit small approach of finger picking the chords, as I can actually hear in the song. If you just hear the song, you can hear finger picking going on. So if you're actually interested, you can just have that. Before that, let's have a look at the chord shapes. First chord is a C major, which is mute 32010. Next chord is a E minor, which is 02200. The next chord is a D minor, which is mute mute open second third first. You can play with any of your fingers you want. The next chord is actually a A minor, which is mute open second second first open. Hear carefully, but I do a A minor slash B, which is nothing but I just add my middle finger on the second fret of the A string, which means I'm just adding some more fingers. So my pinky is on the second fret of the G string, my ring finger is on the second fret of the D string, I got my first fret on the B string. So like a normal A minor chord, but we just add the second fret on the A string instead of that open. So we get that A minor slash B. Just problem having playing the chord, but you can just still strum A minor if you just have a lot of problem. F major, next chord 1 3 3 2 1 1. And then we have a G 3 2 open 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 3. That's it for the chord shapes. Alright, let's have a look at the intro, the verse, the bridge. These three parts are completely same. So the chord progression for this will be C major, then an E minor, then a D minor, or then an A minor slash B if you want to play. You can even use your thumb to play that second fret on the A string. Everything is up to you. So we got C, then an E, then a D minor, A minor slash B. So let's play that on simple, one down on each chord with one bar on each chord. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. Let's have a look at that finger picking thing over here. What you're gonna do is it doesn't matter what the chord is, you're just gonna play the bass note, then the G string, then the B string, then the G string. And this is the basic finger picking pattern which goes on all the chord for the intro, verse and the bridge, because these three parts are actually same, and these are the three parts where I can actually sometimes hear the finger picking going on. So what are you doing? You're playing the bass note, then the G string, then the B string, then the G string. Thumb for the bass note, index for the G string, middle for the B string, and again your index is actually playing the G string. So we are repeating that 4 times on each chord. Doesn't matter what the chord is. So on the C major it's on the A string, the bass note. On the D minor it's on the D string. On the A minor it's on the A string. On the E minor it's on the top E string. So let's play that 4 times on each chord. It's gonna be a bit fast, it's challenging, but definitely it's very easy. E minor, D minor, A minor, or you can just hold the A minor beat slash B. See, what I do is for the C major chord I play A, G, B, G 4 times. E minor I play E, G, B, G. D minor I play D, G, B, G. And A minor I play A, G, B, G. I repeat all them 4 times. So we got 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. Now that's basically everything. I don't gonna mess with that stuff a lot. That's basically for that finger picking stuff. Now let's move on to the chorus. So for the chorus, we just got 2 lines of chord. We start off with the E minor, F, A minor, C, E minor, F, then a G, and we're just gonna let that G ring for 2 bars, which means 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. The strumming pattern will be down down up up down. Pretty simple. Kind of break that: down down up up down, down down up up down. So you got down, down, up, down. Once on each chord. A minor, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Gonna play it very softly. Up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. If you want to even just one down on each chord. 1, 2. That's okay. C. And that's pretty much everything you need for the song. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop in one of the likes. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and feel free to check out the playlist which I made. Cover the full album, Folklore, in a single day. So make sure to check that out. All the lesson covered in complete details, the most accurate. That's the main thing with tabs. So make sure to check them out, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.